Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. The last few weeks have been kind of weird up here in North Dakota. It got real nice, then we lost our ice, and then now it got real cold again. So we're kind of in this limbo land right now, and can't really ice fish or can't really open water fish. So in this video, I'm going to be showing a couple hunts, actually 2 days, where we had some blizzard conditions. We were supposed to get 1 or 2 feet of snow, but we only ended up getting 4 to 6 inches, but it made for some phenomenal hunting. The snow geese aren't sure what they want to do yet. They pushed north and now they kind of went south. It's just been kind of a mess of a spring, but hopefully you guys enjoy the video and I'll catch you out in the field.
Well, I just scanned this flock over here that's landing, and it is going to be a perfect jump. There's a hill right below them. I'm going to be able to get right on. And already looked with my binos and my spotting scope, and they are all snow, so I don't have to worry about any specks. And I'm going to be able to come right up over this hill, and I think I'm going to be able to get close. Oh, this is going to work. I hope. Yeah, I'm going to be able to follow this ditch right down here, and I'm going to get real close. Yep, I can follow this right up close to them. I should get close. Oh, got some. I unloaded. They're a little farther out than I thought. Got a few though. I'm gonna have to let Jack out now. Holy. I was running out of time, so I had to unload the gun. I think I got a nice blue in there. Man, I thought they were a lot closer to that hill. Oh, I started to pick up snow in quite a bit. Like I said, I only have a few more minutes of shooting time, so normally I'd let those land and sneak right over the hill, but I'm gonna drive, go up a couple 100 yards where I saw some fall and send Jack out on them. Well, perfect conditions too for jumping or pass shooting. It's just I had to work today, so I got out kind of late. But I think I saw about 3 or 4 fall, so hopefully we can get a few, because I love to eat snow geese. I'll let Jack out and be able to get some, I think. We'll see how many we can find. Or over. Okay, I see some over there. It's going over the hill that I got. Back! It's gonna be hard to see blues. Back! Shoot. This is kind of why I was worried too, is being able to see them when it got dark. Yeah, definitely got 2 snows. Here, Jack sees them. Oh, that stinks. I didn't have more time. Well, there he had one. I see one more snow for sure, so we'll get that one. Hopefully there's more. Come here, heel. Heel. Bring here, heel. Drop. Hey, heel. Back. 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 He got that one too. Oh, jeez. Good boy, Jackie. Bring here, heel. Bring here. Heel. Oh man, this is like sleet. God dang it, this would have just been here just a little bit longer. I could have pretty much got right on them. Son of a gun. Oh, that's too bad. Come on.
Well, we got first blood in the brand new truck I got. Oh, good job, buddy. Good boy.
Oh. And I'm getting a few more. Oh. I had like 2 minutes left. I know it's dark right now, it seems like, but it isn't too bad actually. I shot the snows that were on the left. There are specks on the right. I tried lining up some blues. Hopefully we got a nice one. I don't know if it's gonna be easy to see. I know low lights GoPros suck, but hopefully Jack can find it. I think I had 4 or 5, so I'd almost rather jump shoot a small flock. There's only like 50 birds in here, but I scoped out from the road over there and I could see that there was like maybe 10 or so that were on the far left, and there was blues right next to it. And because I wanted to get a blue on the wall, so I just snuck right up to the edge of the cattails and got within probably 40 or 50 yards and smoked a few. So like I said, anytime if you're gonna jump, always scope it out with binos and see where they're sitting at. These birds weren't going anywhere, so we got 3 for sure, and 1 flew off. I thought I had 5, but there's probably only 3 that I got. So
well, if I'd have looked at my time on my phone, I probably would have been a little bit more patient with the snow geese with those big flock, because I think I would have got close when that sleet really started to go, and I think I could have got right on top of them, but did end up getting those 2, so that was good. So yeah, with that flurries coming through, it looked a lot darker than it was. So actually when I found those 2, I just went down the road maybe 100 yards and there was those snow geese right on the water. And like I said, you always want to check with your binos and make sure there's not any other kind of species in there when you're jump shooting. So, but yeah, I ended up getting 4 more snows on that. It was a little too dark for filming with the GoPros. But yeah, it was good to get Jack out and get him on some birds.
well, we're pass shooting here and I just shot one. Oh shoot, I wish I had it on film, but it looks like a nice blue. I got Jackie on it right now and I think it's gonna be a nice one. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Jackie, come here. Jack, come here. Good boy. Heel. Heel.
Heel, drop. Oh, that's a gorgeous one. Oh, look at that. That one might go on the wall. I've been wanting to get a blue for a while, and that is a beautiful one. Oh, Jack, come here. Sit. Jack, come here. Sit. Here comes some right over top. Get lower. Got one of that. Freaking Jack's a little pumped up today. Oh, Rossi. Come on. Bring here. Drop. Bring here. Come here. Well, good job, buddy. Hey, get over your cow. He is jacked up. He hasn't been bird hunting in a while. We kind of got a perfect scenario right here. We got birds roosting downwind, and then upwind is the feed. So these birds are just coming off the roost here and going into this wind, and they are pretty low. So, and they've got flurries, so it's keeping them low. But yeah, there's a huge feed just right to the east of me upwind, and I think this is gonna work. We got 2 down already. Didn't get this nice blue on camera. Kind of stinks. I think I'm gonna put that on the wall there, send it to my buddy Caden at Open Water Taxidermy, and that is a freaking nice blue, and I wanted to get a blue on the wall for some time right now. So lots of birds in the area. I got my dingus buddy Jack here. Are we gonna get on him today, bud? This is like what past shooting dreams are made of right here. This is like a perfect scenario, so I'm pretty pumped. Gotta work tonight, but hey, when conditions are like this, you gotta stick her out. Jackie, come here. Get. Waiting for it flying a little lower. Holy, this is chaos. Big feed got up and someone flew over. I got one more. Hopefully send Jack on that right away, because who knows what's gonna happen. Hopefully he finds that one. Come here, bring it here. Oh, these are just nice old birds. Every single one I've shot. Drop it. Hell yeah. Sit down. Got one more. The huge feed just all got up at once. Holy crap. I don't know what's going on, why they came back. Come here. Not sure what's going on, why they all got jumped up, but I don't see anyone over there. Jack, come here. Heel. Get over here, drop. Huh. That was about the closest one. They all kind of skirted me. Dang, that was quite a few.
So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that kind of video. If I would have got there a little bit earlier, if I'd have found those birds in the morning, I would have shot a lot more. When I got there, there was only about 1,000 to 2,000 left on the roost, and so I didn't have too many opportunities to shoot more, so I ended up getting those 4 pass shooting. So right now we have a lot of adults right now. There's a lot of the juvies are down, the ones that you want to decoy. So when I go out, I try to look for something that I can pass shoot, but if not, I'm going to jump shoot. Because right now I don't have the snow goose spread to set up for adults, and I just wanted to get my dog out. So it was fun to get on some birds. Like I said, I'll probably be bringing a few of those snow geese to my buddy Caden at Open Water Taxidermy and get those 2 mounted. So I've been wanting to get some snows mounted for a while, and they are one cool looking bird. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Bye.